You can just hear the crispiness.
Talk to me, spring roll.
But listen, stick to some easy stuff. So these are spring roll wraps. You can buy these at the grocery store.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna make today is a cheeseburger spring roll wrap.
Mind blown.
Right.
A cheeseburger spring rolls. He said we're going to make spring rolls. I'm like, we don't have anything here for spring rolls. He's like, it's going to be a cheeseburger spring roll.
Cheeseburgers. So mustard and ketchup right inside.
Okay.
What? Sesame seeds right inside. Oh my stars, this is gonna be good times. And just mix that up, right? And I don't care, like you could put Chateaubriand inside that beef roll, you could put anything you want in there. It's not gonna taste nearly as good as a cheeseburger spring roll. I'm here to tell you that straight
True story.
up. So then Trace, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over and you're gonna set this one up. I'm gonna set this one up. Just take a little bit here.
Okay.
We're gonna put them on an angle like that. And you put it across like this, right? Just a tiny little bit's cool.
Okay.
And then we've got some
We don't want to overstuff it.
homemade dills here, right? Because that kind of goes with the cheeseburger. And then that's right, we've got American cheese. Just like, you know, that stuff that's gonna melt and it's gonna be gooey.
Love
and it's
it.
gonna do its thing. I'm gonna
It's
put
the
extra
only
of
cheese
mine.
that works with this, guys.
Right? And then we're just gonna like glue it together with a
right
bit of
thing
egg
to do.
wash.
Lovely.
You follow me? Do you know how to roll these? Have
I
you
think
been
I
down
can.
this road?
I think I can manage it.
You think you got it?
You show me the ropes, and I'm going to go for it. I'm going to follow
Well, you know there's gonna be a tuck somewhere, right?
Yeah, I know.
So it's kind of like a burrito. You bring it up,
Yeah.
you bring it back,
Okay.
Tuck.
You tuck her in.
you tuck,
Yeah.
you roll.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
So then, in they go, shallow pan, a little bit of olive oil,
Nice.
right? Fry them on all sides. And what we have when we're done, you can just hear the crispiness.
Talk to me, spring roll.
Oh my God, a little pickle, a little
Little
melted cheese in there.
cheeseburgers.
And when you eat that, you'll kind of like just levitate a little bit.
Just a little bit.
There you go.